guys, welcome back to my channel. Until now, we have discussed about RDBMS concepts and DDL commands, DML commands, as well as we are done with the data types and operators in SQL, right? So, today in this video, let us discuss about the DQL commands, which is data query language commands, okay? Within this we have only a single command, the select statement, but we have already implemented the select statement in our previous videos, but in this video we shall implement it using different operators and where clause. Okay, so without any delay, let us get into our video. Okay, starting with the basic syntax of the select statement. We have different kinds of syntax for the select statement. The first one is, which we have already used in our previous videos, which is select star from table name, okay, where you give your own table name. Okay, this statement retrieves all the complete data from your table. Okay, it shows the complete table and all the records of that particular table. Okay, and the second one is, we use the select keyword followed by the column names, which columns you want to retrieve from your database from that particular table. You give that column names followed by the from keyword and then the table name. Okay, and the third one is, which we are going to discuss mainly in this video, select star from table name, and we use the where clause. After that, we give the condition which records we want to retrieve from our table. With this syntax, you can also use the column names. Okay, you can give the where condition and retrieve the particular columns that you want. Okay, so without any delay, let us implement these three syntaxes with different operators and different combination of operators. Okay, so let us start. We already know how to use the first syntax, as we have already implemented in past several videos. So, which is, we write select keyword followed by star followed by the from keyword, which is then followed by the particular table name, right? Now, let us implement the second syntax, okay, which we retrieve particular columns from a table. Okay, now we have the student table which have 4 columns: ID, name, age and course, right? Now I want to retrieve only name and course of this particular table. Okay, so we use the select keyword followed by the column names. Okay, name and I want course, right, from table name. Yeah, now let's execute this one. Yeah, we got name and course for our 3 records for a table student, right? So this is how you retrieve particular columns from your table. Okay, now let us see how to give condition and retrieve data from your table. Okay, now I want a particular record of ID 4. Okay, so let us execute that. Select star from your table name, where you use the where clause while giving the condition, where ID is equals to 4. Okay, yeah, we got the record 4 and all the columns of that particular record, right? If this particular condition satisfies for 2 or more records, those 2 or more records will be retrieved for you. Okay, so this is how you use the conditional statements. And if you remember, I have said while discussing about the operators, we shall use them after discussing about the select statement, right? So let us implement all our logical operators now, okay? So the first one is all, right? To implement the logical operators, the table student is so small that we cannot have many conditions, right? So I have created another table named employees. I'll just show you that one. Yeah, we have a table named employees which has 4 columns: ID, name, age and salary, and 7 records, okay? So now let us firstly start with the all operator, okay? Select star from employees where age greater than all. Now I'm using a nested select statement, that is another select statement within this particular select statement, okay? Such statements are called nested statements, okay? Select age from employees where salary greater than or equals to 10,000, okay? So here this particular select statement retrieves all the ages where salary greater than or equals to 10,000, okay? We have given that particular condition. So it retrieves all the ages which satisfies this condition, okay? And then this all statement takes all those ages and checks if for any particular record, if the age is greater than all the ages retrieved from this particular statement, and then retrieves that particular record, okay? So this is how the all statement works. Now let us see that. Yeah, we got only one record where age greater than all of the ages where salary greater than 10,000, okay? Now let us implement the same statement but by using the any operator, okay? Now I'm just copying this particular statement. I'm using any operator in place of all operator, okay? Now let us execute this particular query. Yeah, the output is totally different, right? Just because of a single operator, because the all operator checks if age is greater than all of the ages retrieved from this particular statement. But for any operator, it is enough if the age is greater than any one of the age retrieved from this particular statement. Okay, so that is the difference between all and any operator. Okay, now let us see how we use the and or operators, okay? The and or operators are used to give multiple conditions in a single statement, okay? The and operator checks if all the conditions are true, and or operator checks if any one of the condition is true or not, okay? Any one or more, okay? Now select star from your table employees, and the where clause is common for all the conditional operators, okay? Where, let's say, salary greater than 10,000 and age greater than, let's say, 20, okay? Now let's execute this particular query. Yeah, we got only one where age is greater than 20 and salary is greater than 10,000, okay? Now let us execute the same query using the OR statement. Yeah, we got all the records where age is greater than 20, or salary is greater than 10,000. Okay, if any one is satisfied or if both are satisfied also, it retrieves that particular record, but it retrieves even if one condition is satisfied. Okay, now we know how to implement the AND operator, all operator, any operator or operator. Now let us see how to use the between operator. Okay, select star from employees where age between, let's say, 18 and 20. Okay, now let's execute this one. Yeah, we got all the ages, all the particular ages which are between 18 and 20, right? So this is how you execute the between statement. Now let us use the N operator. Okay, select star from table employees where age in 19 or 20. Okay, you can give one value, two values, three values, or any number of values you want within this particular tuple. Okay, now let's execute this particular query. Yeah, we got all the records where age is equals to 20 or age is equals to 19. Okay, so this is how you use the in operator. Now we have two or more operators left. You yourself create a table and execute those operators. If you have any doubts or if you get any errors, let me know in the comments below. Okay, now let us see how to retrieve all the unique records from your table. Okay, we use the select distinct statement. Select distinct. Now I want only age which are all unique. Okay, age from my table employees. So now let's execute this particular query. Yeah, we got only 4 ages, but we have 7 records, right? Where the age is sometimes repeated. Sometimes we have given 19 2 or more values and 20 to 3 values, I think. So that all those duplicate records are removed and we got only unique records from our table, right? So this is how you get unique records. So I think we are clear with the select statement. We know how to retrieve the complete table by using select star from table name. We know how to retrieve particular columns and we know how to use the conditional statements using where clause, right? So this is about the select statement, which is the one and only data query language command. Okay, so in the next video we shall discuss about the DCL and TCL commands and then the built-in functions, and we shall end this series. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.